What's up everybody, this is CryptoBox with another video. I make videos daily about blockchain games and NFTs. Consider subscribing to my channel so you can get daily updates. So in today's video, I'm going to be going over on how to open a chest and what's the process, and we'll see what I can unbox. I'm going to only be opening one box or one chest because the key price is pretty down right now. And it's probably gonna recover, and it's a good time to invest, but I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and take your own risks. So this is the chest right here, and I'm gonna be opening it. I've got all my keys from staking so far, so I haven't bought a single key. All I've been doing has been staking for the past few days. So before my calculations, when Zoo hasn't gone down and everything, it was around, I was making around 2 keys per day or less actually. So I was making around like almost 1.5 day I'd make a key. So 2 days per key right now it seems like, and I'm about to get my second key in maybe like a few hours, I'm guessing. And right now I have about 1.3396 keys, and you can use exactly one key to open one chest every time. So let's get into it. So I'm gonna click unlock, and it seems like I'm gonna be paying gas fees here, so I'm gonna show the process here. So it seems like I have gas fees, so confirm. It's not a big deal. Luckily it's on the Binance Smart Chain, so they barely take anything from you, so don't be worried. Just make sure you have something left over for those fees. And there we go, confirm transaction. Now it seems like I have to approve, so let me just refresh the page just to make sure that I have to approve. Yep, so we're gonna go with approve. Another gas fee kind of thing, only 9 cents, not a big deal. Confirm. Transaction goes on in the background. Now, you have around a 54% chance of opening or 55% chance on opening a junk card or the lowest class. So let's go double check that out real quick. So this is their little article page, or where they teach people. Now, it hasn't been filled out, so it's kind of a really simplified explanation, and it might not give you as much information. So here, open the treasure chest and probabilities. So the junks 55%, the normals 27.5% basically, rare 14%, and then epic 3.5%, and legendary 0.5% basically. So these are pretty hard numbers, so I have to be lucky here to beat that 55% to at least get a normal or rare or epic. So I'm gonna say hopefully I could get something like those epics or rares or any of those, so I can make my money back. So we're gonna go and open chest. Okay, let's start the transaction here, and hopefully, as you can see, there's an animation right now going. It is pretty similar to the Mobox opening chests and everything, so I'm familiar with this type of stuff now. And so I'm opening the chest. Confirmed. Amazing. That's good. We're gonna wait a bit here, and I've gotten a junk. So as you can see, I've gotten a junk right here. NFT details. It's just a normal junk, so that's pretty unlucky. Or it is, I mean, I wish I could have gotten better luck, you know, like, it's all good. That's part of opening these chests, that you're not sure on what you're exactly getting. So right now it's minting, and so here it is. Now let me check on the marketplace how much this would be worth. So I think I just search up the name and we'll see what's going on. So it seems like these guys are selling around 15 to 16 USDT, but they're part of like this type of legendary, which is actually really good. So 15, they're all basically same price. So it's all good. I mean, I still got something out of it. At least I didn't lose all my money through that key. And so that'll be the end of the video. Check my other videos out. I'm gonna link all of them at the top right, and they'll be out through the video. And also check out the end screen videos on how I have other zoo videos that is really informational. So I'll see you guys later. Like and subscribe. Peace.